what is the molar mass of H2O? Okay, each element on the periodic table, it has molar mass, and the molar mass is the number that is written under on the bottom side of the element symbol. This number, it represents molar mass as well, and it represents molar mass. That means it represents the mass of that element, or the mass of 1 mole of that element in grams. Okay, what about compounds like H2? Do they have molar mass? Yes, they have molar mass, and the molar mass of compounds like H2, it's the molar mass, it's the addition of the molar mass of its components. So what are the components here? I have 2 hydrogen and I have 1 oxygen. So this one, H2, it represents 1 molecule, and also it represents 1 mole. So 1 molecule, each molecule of water, it has 2 hydrogens, 2 hydrogen atoms, and 1 oxygen atom. This is 1 molecule. Okay, if I have Avogadro's number of H2, that means I have 1 mole of H2. So that means I have in 1 mole of H2, I have 2 moles of hydrogen atoms, H2, and 1 mole of hydrogen atoms, O. In this case, they're going to make 1 mole of H2. Okay, what is now the mass of 1 mole of H2O? It's the mass of what? each one. Here now, when they give me H equals 1, what do they mean by H1 equals 1? They mean here 1 gram. 1 gram. Okay, 1 gram, this is what here? 1 gram, they mean that the mass of 1 mole of hydrogen. The mass of 1 mole of hydrogen is 1 gram. Okay, what about 16? What does it mean? It means 16 grams. Okay, 16 grams, it represents what? It means the mass of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen. The mass of 1 mole of oxygen atoms is 16 grams. So that means here now, if I plug them here now, I'm gonna find I have the H2 of them. So that means 2 times 1. So for the hydrogen here, I have 2 times 1. And for the oxygen, only have what? I have 1 oxygen, that is what? 16. So when I add them, 2 times 1, which is the mass of hydrogen, it equals 2, and the mass of oxygen, it equals 16. When I add them now together, they'll give me what? They'll give me 18, which represents the molar mass of H2O. And 18 means what? It means 18 grams. 18 grams, which is the mass of 1 mole of H2O. So we go to choose here 18 as the answer.